Baka ikaw tuwin mo yun mag-rep.
This is not for this, right?
Sumobra sa 385, naging 387. Mabawas kayo dito. Gets? Gets? Everyone? Gets? Okay. After that, this here. Okay? Isa ang hawak dito. And then the other one. Pag-isay lang siya dito. Dalawa ito. Dalawa. 36. Pag 36 yan, everything will be good. And then somebody will also have to close and seal the box.
So now we're waiting for 72 volunteers. So 4, 5, 6. And these are the 4 of us. Okay. Some cell phones with little pictures taken, some of them. You must keep your hands clean. Okay. So, girls. Make sure. You're going to make sure that there are 12 people plus the supervisor. So doesn't 10:30 to 12 more or less and watch. And I hope you will stay because it's a nice community. Volunteers. Kindly.
Group 1, are you okay? Say yeah! Group 2!
Please welcome Regent Past District Governor Dennis. 29,000 to go.
Good morning, sir. We would just want a brief background about what we are doing today, sir.
Okay, Stop Hunger Now is an international movement to alleviate hunger. Last year, when Oni Calayan was the president of RC Lucena South, we were able to connect with them and started this packing event. And this meal packs were given to Compostela Valley, to some ETAs, yung mga ETAs sa Lipa and in Subic, as well as sa mga binahayatan na bigyan din. So, because of the good heart of Rotarians, we decided to continue this year and make it a part of our district affair. So, ano ba? last year Lucena South and some other clubs funded it. This year is the district 3820, wherein there are 103 clubs who are members of our district in 11 provinces. So sama-sama po ang Rotario dito na nag-fund ng $10,000. Yun ay bigay ng distrito through District Governor Danny Ona. Wala po siya dito ngayon. Pero ito ay pondong pinagsama-sama ng Rotary. So sana po makatulong tayo sa mga mahihirap, sa mga nagugutom, sa ating mga kababayan dito. Hindi lang sa Lucena, kundi sa iba pang lugar kung kailangan.
Sir, what brought this Stop Hunger program here in the Philippines?
They have this in other parts of the world, pero hindi pa na formally organized. So last year, nung nagkaroon ng contact sa kanila, si immediate past President Oni Calayan, they decided to be a part of it. So actually si Oni ngayon ang chair dito sa Pilipinas yata, siya na ngayon. So he'll be coordinating Stop Hunger Now activities in the Philippines. So yun magandang ano yun kasi now we can tap other groups like for example mga government, pwede ring NGOs na gustong tumulong makapag-ipon, makapag-likom ng pera. Kasi hindi naman mangyayari ito kung walang pera, di ba? We still need funding. So, showing this kind of activity to the public, hopefully will generate, that kind-hearted response from other people. So, yun po. Sana ay katulad ng yung pag naipakita ninyo ito sa TV, then we will have a good public relations effort na makikita ng bayan. And mas marami ngayon sana ang makakapagbigay, makakatulong.
Sir, ano pong saan po ang destination ngayon ng pinapak natin ngayon?
I think you will have to ask Chair Oni Calayan on where this will go. Pero palagay ko, pwede tayong mamigay dun sa mga binahana ngayon. For example, I come from Pagtanan, Santa Cruz area. Yung public market ngayon ay simulang lumulubog na naman. Alam mo, pag lumubog yun, 3 buwan na walang trabaho ang mga tao ron. Libo-libo ang mga nagtitinda, ang mga tindera, ang mga kung ano-ano pinagbibili, mga bolante. Wala na namang trabaho. So, mga bahay nila lubog. Pwede tulungan. Pero pag-uusapan pa kung...
Sir, one question more. Sir, how confident are we that we would be reaching the 30,000 mark?
We're sure because this is funded.
Yes, sir.
Funded po ng Rotary.
Yes, sir.
We have money allotted for this. So I expect that it will be, we will reach the target today.
I mean, sir, we would finish that in 1 day.
We will finish it today, this morning. Kasi mabilis naman to. Yung ilang tables na yan, tuloy-tuloy ang gawa.
Sir, last, any particular message we would want to send our people, sir?
Gustong-gusto ko magpasalamat sa mga tao na tumutulong sa Rotary. And for example, that TV12 has been giving us this exposure. So thank you too for the time you share with us para makita ang ginagawa ng Rotary. Ang mga tao na, alam mo, maraming private persons na tumutulong sa Rotary. And I thank them from the bottom of my heart for doing the type of works that they have been doing. And hopefully, they can again join us to do more. Hindi lang ito, napakarami pang proyekto ang Rotary. So, we hope that we can expand our network, more people joining Rotary. And kasi pag maganda ang exposure ng Rotary, we can easily recruit more Rotarians, di ba? At pag mas marami tayong nagagawa. Sige po. Thank you and good morning.